Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Indah Sari, NPM 2021 125 00056. Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss my teaching experience and discuss the nature of learning and teaching.
What is the difference between learning and teaching?
Learning refers to what a person must do as a subject who receives lessons or target students, while teaching refers to what the teacher must do as a developer. Learning can be defined as acquiring knowledge, attitudes, or skills. Teaching is defined as helping another person to learn.
The nature of learning and teaching.
Types of nature of learning. The behavioral psychology describes three types of learning. The first, classical conditioning. Second, observational learning. And operant conditioning. Types of nature of teaching methods include differentiated instruction, lecture-based instruction, technology-based learning, group learning, individual learning, kinesthetic learning, game-based learning, and EXP dictionary learning. Okay, I finished talking about the nature of learning and teaching. I will now discuss my teaching experience. After I graduate vocational high school, that's when I immediately got the opportunity to teach. I teach at one of the teaching places, Sanggarana Kusayang. There I work as a teacher of Charleston or reading, writing, and arithmetic for early childhood and children in grades 1 to 3 of elementary school. To be honest, when I took this job, I had no experience in teaching, but I'm sure I can survive and do my best. Therefore, I always prepare teaching materials for me to teach to my students. This is very important. I have met various kinds of characters, and that makes me more passionate in educating children. Children's abilities are very different. Therefore, we cannot equate children with other children because it will affect the child psychologists. Okay, the last one, I have been teaching for over a year. I'm very grateful for my work experience. Because of that, I'm more confident to become a teacher. Finally, I continued my education in the field of English education.